Hello everyone, welcome back to Innovin Cake and Cookies. Today we are making a rich and delicious semolina halwa barfi. It's soft like halwa, sets like barfi, a perfect treat for any occasion. In a pan add 1 cup sugar, 3 cups of water. Add a pinch of saffron. Add cardamom powder or rose water for extra fragrance. Let it boil and cook until the sugar dissolves completely. Set it aside. Now heat 1 tablespoon ghee. Add 2 tablespoon almond and 2 tablespoon cashews. Roast for 30 seconds. And remove from the heat. This recipe combines two classic, halwa and barfi in one. Now add 2 tablespoon ghee again. Then add 1 cup suji. Keep stirring and roast in low heat for about 5 minutes. Always roast suji on low heat for perfect aroma and texture. Add 2 tablespoon gram flour and roast for another 2 minutes until aromatic. Now pour in the prepared sugar syrup gradually, mixing well. Add the sugar syrup slowly to prevent lumps. Semolina or suji is one of the oldest ingredients used in Indian sweets. Traditionally, suji halwa is made for celebration and as prasad. Turning it into barfi gives it a festive twist that's easy to store and gift. Cook until the mixture thickens. Add the roasted dry fruits and mix well. Grease a plate with oil and spread the suji mixture evenly. And some more dry fruits on top and keep aside for 1 hour. One set cut into pieces. Suji is rich in iron and easy to digest. Ghee provides healthy fats for energy. Nuts add protein and good cholesterol. It's a sweet you can enjoy guilt-free in small portion. And that's our soft, rich and aromatic semolina halwa barfi, perfect for festive plates, family gathering or even tea time dessert. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Innovin Cake and Cookies. Tell me in the comments, do you like your halwa soft or set as barfi?